the shackles off my feet. Make I go, make I go. It's a battle with the beast. Take your shield, here we go. Kwame Nkrumah take over. New Africa makeover. Let's bow our heads and pray, your Lord. Our Father, help us fight the war. Refuge, 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 na ye jenwo. Refuge, 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 na ye jenwo. In Africa, but a black man in America, African in England. Don't forget where you are from. Ghana down to Suriname, taken from my motherland. Don't forget your mother tongue. Please don't shoot me, we are one. Refuge, 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 na ye jenwo. 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 Now have a look through history's binoculars, and please don't tell me you've forgotten us. Your lost children living anonymous in a very strange land where them carried us. And it must be a natural phenomenon how we still can remember where we're coming from, even through the brainwashing curriculum, up through the ages and millenniums. Last 400 years has been fabulous. We've been working as slaves, living ravenous, but to overdo your stay can be hazardous. Now a time to go home, thanks for having us. Please make I a promise, oh promised land, and welcome me home anytime I land, and make I feel like I belong with us. Until that day, no giving up.
I made it quite clear that from now on today, we must change our attitudes, our minds. We must realize that from now on, we are no more a colonial, but a free and independent people. We are prepared to build it up and make it